Neshard Walker is a plant-based pro player. At 6'9" and 240 pounds, this elite athlete earns a living by going wherever the ball takes him, which means he has to train every day, so he is always prepared to play at a high level. Sure, Neshard has seen improvement in everything from his cholesterol, heart rate, blood pressure, and concentration. However, a workshop with this professional basketball player will reveal a much more important benefit to ditching dairy, meat, and eggs. Schedule a workshop with Neshard Walker, professional basketball player, and a member of the Speakers Division with the Pro Associates.